Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let me show you how you can fix the Messenger missing chat history sync now option, not showing problem in just a few steps. By the way, welcome back to App Mentor. So let's begin with the tutorial. Let's start by opening Messenger and click the three lines icon at the top left. Next, you will find the gear icon to open settings. Now scroll down to find privacy and safety and open it. And there you will find end-to-end encrypted chats. Open it, then open message storage, and click on turn on secure storage. In my case, I already turned it on. So if you weren't able to turn it on yet, just tap on that. And all you gotta do is create a pin, and it will show you secure storage on, and it will also show you the last backup, and your issue will be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.